says 1,000 pardons. But yeah, man, we're out here at some school or whatever. I don't know where the fuck we are, because I don't live here, but O-Town somewhere, we think. But yeah, you got a good spot. Let's go. We're waiting. We're ready. We're warmed up. Let's go. Here we are, Brian. See what you're missing?
Accessible if it's going to take you.
Should be. It's where.
If it's not in the first place you look, don't worry about it.
Top right here, yep.
So this is the place that my bank account gets drained into. Basically, all my money comes into my bank account and then it just gets mailed right here.
Just money, bro.
Yeah. $2. Keep on. Olympics, oh my God!
Woo! Olympics!
I wanna forget myself again, so that everything can happen.
I've been watching non-stop Olympics.
Will you please call me by my name?
I had no idea what was going on until like my mom called the other day. She said, "Yeah, we're watching the opening of the Olympics." I'm like, "What?"
Never die.
Go watch us on the Martins, you know? And then that's what's the way on.
Maybe I can find an answer. Feelings growing inside to leave my holding anchor. Maybe I can find an answer. Feelings growing inside to leave my holding anchor. To leave my holding anchor.
Self-fixing. There you go.
Flip it over here.
It'll be a typical Rotor Riot shoot.
This one I think was vented because it was kind of, you know.
Ah, it's all good.
Yeah. Yeah.
It was twitchy because the ESC's
All
fucked.
the ESC's fucked.
Yeah, see, I added
Gotcha.
an extra ESC because this one got messed up, which is this motor.
Ah.
But this.
Yeah! Oh my God.